Support your local farmers. A couple weeks ago, I promised you that I was going to use another local product. Here we go. If you go that way, maybe 100 miles, there's a little town called Rocky Ford, very close to La Junta, west of Pueblo. Rocky Ford is known for these guys, melons. So I've got this muskmelon. A lot of you will call it a cantaloupe in the States, but it's really a muskmelon. Not a true cantaloupe, but I'm not going to split hairs on that. So we're going to make something out of this. And I was thinking about all kinds of different things that we could do. And I thought a salad would be nice. It's kind of warm here, so a nice salad. So first thing we got to do, of course, is we're going to do a salad. Always good to do a dressing first. So I've got, it's maybe a quarter cup. That might be a little bit much. I'm going to use about 1/8 of a cup or the juice of 1 lime. Put a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Okay, a lot of black pepper. It's going to need a sweetener. I've got blue agave. It's good stuff. It's maybe a tablespoon. What else do we need? We need oil and a whisk. You know my theory on citrus fruit. You paid for the zest, you might as well use it. I'm going to put the lime zest in there. And I'm going to start drizzling in olive oil. How much do you want? Typically, you're going to go for about a 3-to-1 ratio in your typical vinaigrette, and that's what this is. You're going to go with a 3-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar. The juice is essentially the vinegar. Okay, that's about right. I've made these so many times that I can just eyeball it. But for measurements, I use 1/8 of a cup of lime juice. I used about 1.5 teaspoons of the agave nectar, grind of salt, grind of pepper, zest from the lime, and about 3/8 of a cup of olive oil. That's a good, nice little vinaigrette. Very light, ready to go. Now, you've seen me disassemble one of these. Check out this video. I also do more than just disassemble it. You'll see. So I'm going to cut this up into about little 1/2-inch cubes. You can watch, but I'm going to speed through it. Okay, so I decided to go with almost all of the cantaloupe. Mix that in with the dressing. Now let's think about what else we can throw in there. Onion's always nice. Hold on a second. Okay. Pardon the interruption. Onions are always nice. I got some red, but cut into, you know, 3/4 of an inch stripes or strips, whichever you prefer. We'll mix that in. It's nice to have a salty component. So with that, I've got some prosciutto. Goes very well with melons. I cut that up into little strips. This is probably about 3 or 4 slices. Good stuff. See, what else can we throw in here? How about a little bit of color? Oh, we got these Fresno Chilies. A little bit of heat, not that much. And just in case there is a little bit of heat to it, I'm going to cut it up pretty small. I'm thinking maybe 2. Okay, chilies are in there. Could use a little more color. Maybe an herbal component. I'm going to go out to the garden, see what I have.
What do we have? We have thyme, some oregano, rosemary, not for this. Basil.
Basil. Good stuff. Nice little chiffonade in there would be good. Chiffonade is essentially little strips. Best way to get that is to fresh basil. Good stuff. Stack up your leaves and roll them up into a tight little cylinder. Grab your knife and then just shave off little slices. And that's a chiffonade. So that's a nice little salad there. Let's give it a taste. A little salty, a little sweet. Get a little bit of nice little tingle on the tongue from the chili. But I think we can elevate this a little bit more. How about some shrimp? Shrimp would be nice in this. Okay, let's season these up. A little salt, a little pepper. Got my saute pan here. We'll get that warming up. And I think I'm going to throw a a little ancho powder in there. You can buy this or you can make it, whichever way you want to go. A little olive oil in there. Stir up these shrimp. If you don't have the ancho powder, how about smoked paprika? I bet you can get a hold of that. Let's saute these off. Now the shrimp, they were fairly small, about that big. I would say probably about 40 to 50 count, right around there. Okay, shrimp are done. Only takes a second for these small guys. We'll set them aside to cool, and let's talk about plating. Now, I'm not going to combine the shrimp and the salad, but they're going to go together. You know what I mean? So, let's plate this up. Martini glasses. Always great. Gives you a lot of height. You can see everything, all the components in there. Really nice. But let's put a little bit of base layer in there. We're gonna make a little cantaloupe parfait type thing. I got an avocado here. About a quarter of an avocado. Let's do the whole half. I like avocado and all these flavors go really well together. Don't necessarily have to use this knife to dice this avocado. You can use a butter knife. A little bit safer that way. Let's spoon a little bit of our salad on there. Be sure to get a little bit of the vinaigrette in there. A little bit of prosciutto, a little bit of chili, a little drizzle. Okay. Now let's place our shrimp on there. This side is just a salad, so maybe 6, 7? Sound good? Let's go 7. Garnish with a lemon wheel. And there you have it. A nice cantaloupe, avocado, and shrimp salad. I guess the moral of the story is shop local. You know, find out where your farms, local farms are. Go to them. A lot of them will have stands and stuff like that. You'd be amazed at how fresh and how great that local produce will taste. With that being said, I will see you next time. I've got a angelic recipe in for you next time. This is Chef Terry. Oh, by the way, go down there, check the description. You'll see all the ingredients in there. You'll see all the products I use, stuff like that. And also check out these videos. I'll see you next time.